Now let's solve practice set 1.1. Question number 1. With the help of the given number line in the figure, find the following distance. You can see the number line here. You can see point A, B, C, D, E have all positive numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And on the left side, that is Q, P, K, J, H have all negative integers, and O is 0. O coordinate is 0. First is given to find distance between B and E. Distance between B and E. We know that how to find the distance between two coordinates is we will subtract the greater coordinate with the smaller coordinate. Now here greater coordinate is E, that is 5, and B is smaller coordinate, that is 2. Therefore we will solve coordinate of point E minus coordinate of point B, that is 5 minus 2, which is equals to 3. Distance between J and A. Now A is greater coordinate and J is smaller coordinate, as it is minus 2. Therefore coordinate of point A minus coordinate of point J equals to 1 minus of minus 2. Minus minus becomes plus, that is 1 plus 2, 3. Let's see third. Distance between P and C. Here also greater coordinate is greater coordinate was C, that is 3, and smaller coordinate is P. Therefore I will subtract coordinate of point C minus coordinate of point P, that is 3 minus of minus 4, which is equals to 3 plus 4 equals to 7. Distance between J and H. Which number is greater here? H is greater. Since both are negative, and negative, as we go on this side, left side, the number goes on decreasing. Here minus 1 is greater than minus 2. Therefore coordinate of point H minus coordinate of point J, minus 1 minus of minus 2, minus 1 plus 2, answer will come 1. Therefore the distance between J and H is equals to 1. Fifth, distance between K and O. Here O is greater than 3. Therefore coordinate of point O minus coordinate of point K, which is equals to 0 minus minus 3, which is equals to 0 plus 3 is equals to 3. Sixth, distance between O and E. Now here phi is greater than 0. Therefore I will write coordinate of point E minus coordinate of point here you will take coordinate of point E minus coordinate of point O equals to 5 minus 0, which is equals to 5. Seventh, distance between P and J. Here minus 2 is greater than minus 4. Therefore we will take coordinate of point J minus coordinate of point P. coordinate of point J minus coordinate of point P, which is equals to minus 2 minus of minus 4 is equals to minus 2 plus 4, which is equals to 2. 8th, distance between Q and B. Here 2 is greater than minus 5. Therefore, we will write coordinate of point B minus coordinate of point Q. Coordinate of point B minus coordinate of point Q is equals to 2 minus of minus 5 is equals to 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Now in the question number 2, the coordinates of a point A and B are x and y respectively. Find the distance A and B in the following cases. First case, x is equals to 1, y is equals to 7. Here y is greater than x. Therefore distance of A and B is equals to y minus x, which is equals to 7 minus 1 equals to 6. Second is x is equals to 6 and y is equals to minus 2. X is greater than y. Therefore distance of A and B is equals to x minus y is equals to 6 minus of minus 2 is equals to 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. Third is x is equals to minus 3, y is equals to 7. Here y is greater than x. Therefore distance between A and B is equals to y minus x is equals to y minus of minus 3, y is equals to 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Fourth is x is equals to minus 4, y is equals to minus 5. Now here minus 4 is greater than minus 5. Therefore x is greater than y. The distance between A and B is equals to x minus y is equals to minus 4 minus of minus 5 is equals to minus 4 plus 5 is equals to 1. Fifth question, x is equals to minus 3, y is equals to minus 6. Here x is greater than y. Therefore distance between AB is equals to x minus y is equals to minus 3 minus of minus 6 is equals to minus 3 plus 6 is equals to 6. Sixth question, x is equals to 4, y is equals to minus 8. X is greater than y. Distance between A and B is equals to x minus y is equals to 4 minus of minus 8. The 4 plus 8 is equals to 12. Question number 3. In each of the following, decide which point is between the other 2 points. Write if the given points are non-collinear. First, distance between PR is equals to 7. Distance between PQ is equals to 10. Distance between QR is equals to 3. Now in this problem, distances between 3 points are given. We have to verify whether betweenness exists or not. So we will take the sum of smaller distances, that is 7 and 3. If this sum equals to largest distance, then the given points are collinear. Let's check. PR is QR is equals to 7 plus 3 is equals to 10. Sum of smaller distances. P and Q is equals to 10. Therefore, we can say distance PR plus distance QR is equals to distance PQ. Thus, the points P, Q, R are collinear. And here observe the end points are P and Q. Hence, therefore, point R lies between the points P and Q. Therefore, PRQ will be the right figure. Second, distance between the R is equals to 8. Distance between ST is equals to 6. Distance between RT is equals to 4. Now here smaller distances are 6 and 4. Now if I add these both distances, that is distance ST plus distance RT is equals to 6 plus 4, it is coming 6, and the bigger distance is given, d distance of R comma S is equals to 8. Therefore distance ST plus distance RT is not equals to distance RS. Therefore the point T does not lie between point R and S. Thus the given points R, S, T are non-collinear points. Third, distance between A and B is equals to 16, distance between CA is equals to 9, distance between BC is equals to 7. Now we will take the smaller numbers, that is 9 and 7. Distance between BC plus distance between CA is equals to 7 plus 9 is equals to 16, and we also have distance AB is equals to 16. Therefore I can say distance BC plus distance CA is equals to distance AB, because both are 16 16. Therefore point A, B, C are collinear and ending points are A and B. Therefore C lies between the point A and B. Fourth, distance between L and M is equals to 11, distance between M and N is equals to 12, distance between N and L is equals to 8. We will take smaller distance, that is 8 and 11. We will add these smaller distance between LM plus distance between NL is equals to 11 plus 4 is equals to 19, and distance of MN is equals to 12. Therefore distance LM plus distance LN is not equals to distance MN. Therefore the point L does not lie between points M and N. The given point L, M and N are not collinear points. Fifth, distance XY is equals to 15, distance YZ is equals to 7, distance XZ is equals to 8. Now we will take again smaller distances, that is 7 and 8. We will add these two distances, distance YZ plus distance XZ is equals to 7 plus 8 is equals to 15, and also we have distance XY is equals to 15. Therefore distance YZ plus distance XZ is equals to distance XY. Both are equal, that means therefore point X, Y, Z are collinear, and since the ending points are X and Y, that means Z point lies between point X and Y. Sixth, distance DE is equals to 5, distance EF is equals to 8, distance DF is equals to 6. Next, add the smaller distances, that is distance DE plus distance DF is equals to 5 plus 6 is equals to 11, but distance EF is equals to 8. Therefore distance DE plus distance DF is not equals to distance EF. Therefore point D is not between points E and F. Therefore the given points D, E, F are not collinear points. On a question number 4, on a line there are points A, B, C such that distance AC is equals to 10, distance CB is equals to 8. Then find distance A. Consider all possible cases. Solution: first, distance AC is equals to 10, distance CB is equals to 8. It is already given. Case 1, point B is lying between points A and C. Therefore by betweenness property we know full distance AC will be equal to distance AB. Full distance AC, okay, will be equal to the distance this half AB plus this half BC. Okay, now distance of AC is equals to 10, it is given, and distance AB is not given, plus distance BC is given 8. Therefore distance AB will be equal to 10 minus 8, which is equals to 2. Then case 2, point C is lying between point A and B. Therefore distance between full AB will be half of distance, that is distance of AC plus distance of CB. Distance of AB is not given to us, is equals to distance of AC is given 10 and distance of CB is given 8, which is equals to 18. Case 3, point A is lying between point A and B. Therefore, distance BC is equals to half this distance BA and distance AC. BC's value is given 8, which is equals to DAB plus 10. Distance of AB is equals to 8 minus 10, which is equals to minus 2, but distance cannot be negative. Therefore, case 3 is not possible. Question number 5. Point XYZ are collinear points. If distance XY is equals to 17, distance YZ is equals to 8, then find distance XZ. Distance XY is equals to 17, distance YZ is equals to 8. They are given. Point XYZ are collinear points. Case 1. Point Y is between point X and Z, that is XYZ. You can see the figure XY and Z. Y lies between X and Z. Therefore, distance of XZ will be is equals to D distance of XY plus distance of YZ. Therefore, distance of XZ is equals to 17 plus 18 is equals to 25. If point Y is in between X and Z, the distance of XZ is equals to how much? 25 degree. Case 2. Point Z is between point X and Y, that is XZY. You can see the figure. Distance XY is equals to distance XZ plus distance YZ. Distance XY is equals to 17 is equals to distance of XZ plus 8. Distance of XZ is equals to 17 minus 8, which is equals to 9. If point Z is between X and Y, then distance of XZ is equals to 9. Case 3, point X is between Y and Z, that is YXZ. You can see the figure. Here, if we solve, you can see in this cloud, distance YZ is equals to distance YX plus distance XZ. Distance YZ is how much? 8 is equals to YX is 17 plus distance XZ. Distance XZ is equals to 8 minus 17, which is equals to minus 9, which is not possible. The length cannot be in negative. The distance cannot be negative. But this case is absurd, as distance XZ will be negative, which is not possible. Distance XZ is equals to 25 when XYZ, or distance XZ is equals to 9 when XZY. So only two cases are possible. Now let's see question number 6. Draw the figure according to the given information and answer the questions. Solution. When ABC, you can see the figure, length of AC is equals to 11, length of BC is equals to 6.5, then find the length of AB. Here you can see full length is given how much? 11, and half length BC is given how much? 6.5, and we have to find this AB. Distance of AB plus distance of BC is equals to distance of AC. You can see this half plus this half, we will get this full. The distance of AB plus distance of BC is equals to distance of full AC. Therefore, distance of AB plus BC is how much? 6.5, and AC is how much? 11. Therefore, you will find distance of AB, which is equals to 4.5. Question number 2. When RST, length of ST is given 3.7, length of RS is given 2.5, then find length of RT. You can see the figure RST. Therefore, distance RS plus distance ST is equals to distance full RT. Therefore, distance of RS is given 2.5, distance of ST is given 3.7, equals to distance of RT. If you will add these two terms, you will get 6.2 is equals to distance of RT. Question number 3. When XYZ, length of XZ is equals to 3 root 7, length of XY is equals to root 7, then find length of YZ. You can see the figure here. The full length is given 3 root 7, and this half XY is given root 7. Now you have to find this YZ. Therefore, distance of XY plus distance of YZ is equals to distance of XZ. This plus this, you will get this full term. Therefore, distance of XY is how much? Root 7, and distance of YZ we have to find is equals to xz is given 3 root 7. I will keep this dy z here only, and I will shift this root 7 on that side, is equals to 3 root 7 minus root 7. Therefore d distance between y and z is equals to 2 root 7. It's fine. Root. Question number 7. If 3 points are no collinear, then which geometrical shape is formed? Not collinear means they are not in one straight line. Suppose I am taking A, B, C in this form. These three are not collinear points. So, which shape is formed here? Yes, triangle. Okay. 3 non-collinear points form a triangle. Now here we completed our practice set 1.1.